Yeah, so today, guys, for Daniel's YouTube channel, we're gonna be working on La Lamina right here.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's not going to be a Camaro video, but rather with my friend. What he's trying to do, we already changed his speakers right here. He wants to do a DS18 setup, a full setup, so he wants the mids, the highs, and he's probably going to put some basses in there. But he's trying to put some tweeters. The problem is that the tweeter's about that size. He's trying to change it for like a bigger one, like about that size. We'll show here in a bit. So yeah, let me introduce his car to the channel. I'll put some clips right now. The clips. This is his car. Now we're gonna get to removing this panel and see what we have under there and see where can we put the tweeters. He wants it in the door panel, so maybe around here. I mean, it's really up to him. All right guys, so we took it out, cut a hole. This is what he wanted right here. He wanted a tweeter in the middle of his door panel. Blame him for that.
It's not something you see every day.
So I guess we're just gonna go in and wire it up, you know, screw it in, see how that works. All right, well, this is how it looks. I mean, those screws right here, he's gonna change them for some black ones, but that's all we had right now, so just while I could hold it. But he will be changing them to better looking ones. I mean, this is what he wanted, this is what he got. He's happy with it, but I mean, it takes getting used to seeing a speaker right there. But we already test sounded and it sounds way better. I give him that. It's going from that little tweeter right here to that. I mean, it just does its justice by itself. So we're just gonna go ahead and do the last, you know, putting the door panel right. And he's already taking that panel over there. So sound check, it's really good. It sounds way better than what it did before. Aesthetic, I mean, it's on judgment, but I mean, he's happy and that's all that matters. All right, well, they're both up. As you saw in the short little time lapse, they're both ready. We're just gonna install that door panel over there, and everything worked, everything's good. I'm gonna take it for a little test drive, hear the difference, and we'll close this video. All right guys, well, this is the final product. We're playing some non-copyright music, and I mean, that's pretty much all we could play for YouTube. But I mean, like I said, the judgment of how it looks is really up to each person. He's happy with it. That's all that really matters for this video. Now, I mean, I know it's a different video. It's not the Camaro. And I know this channel was really meant for the Camaro. But I mean, if I could make content for other cars, and I mean, it's pretty much the same process if you would want this to do in a Camaro, which, I mean, like I said, it depends on each person. It sounds way better. We're not really doing a before and after because, I mean, you're just never gonna get the real feel of the sound from just the phone. So, but I mean, we're gonna go ahead and just give you a little test of how loud it is. Probably not how clear, because you won't be able to hear that. Alright guys, well, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you until next video.